Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to fix the issue where your Facebook password is not working. So if you're trying to fix that issue, you may just head over and follow up these steps for that. Start by opening up the Facebook application. For that, tap on it. And once you tap on Facebook application, you will be taken to this page right here. So the first thing we can do is in this section right here in the login page, we usually find a password section where you can enter up your password to log in into your account. So first thing you can do is in this password section, when you're typing in your password, ensure that your password is entered correctly. Passwords are case sensitive, so make sure that your caps lock key is off and try typing again. After that, you can restart. If that does not work, and try again. Sometimes the simple glitches can be resolved by restarting your device. So hold the power button for that and look out for the restart option and tap on it. And you can try again login into your Facebook application or use a different device or browser. Apart from that, ensure that you are using the right account. So you can double check that you are trying to log in with the correct email or phone number for that specific account. Open up Facebook, and within Facebook, look out for your mobile number or email address, and then just go over and ensure that you are using the correct one so that you can try log in into your account very easily. Apart from that, on the login screen right here, you can look out for this forgot password if you've forgotten your password, and just follow up the process to reset your password. That is also possible. Apart from that, what we can do is we can create a new password as well. You can just go and follow up that process, or you can check your spam folder for the reset email if you can't find it. So go to your Gmail application for that, and once you go over to Gmail, go to the info section at the top, and within here, just go over and check your spam folder. And once you reach over to the spam folder, see if there is any kind of reset email available. You can just go and check it out and see if that works. And that is it. You can try out this process. If none of those works, you can contact the Facebook support team for further assistance, and that should probably work for you. So that is it, everybody. You may follow up this process for that. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.